Exciting news for Tesla and Pepsi. So they're kind of both tied together, this information. Tesla and Pepsi. It's coming up. I'm going to go over that a little bit later. Okay, folks, I want to go over some stocks to add to your portfolio. Add them now. Add them as soon as possible. These are, again, safe. These are blue chip. These are set it and forget it stocks. I'm going to start with 1, Waste Management, 2, Pepsi, 3, Starbucks. Put them in your portfolio. Don't worry about it. Just set it and forget it. These are stocks you don't have to worry about. They're going to make you money. And I'll show you some information. We'll go over the financials. We're going to go over the charts, how much you would have made, how much they've gone up in the past 20 years. I think you're going to like what you see. Waste Management, truly a recession-proof business. Current strike price, Waste Management, $161.80. Market cap, over $67 billion. Earnings per share, 4.11. PE ratio is 39. All right, it's yielding at 1.41%. Not a lot, but it's a steady income. It's something you don't have to worry about. It's a quarterly dividend. You're going to get 57 cents every quarter. Some of the analysts have to say. Downside, low price prediction 154. Average 165 and a high of 180. That's a slight 2.18% upside. It's Waste Management. It's going to go up. It's going to go up slow and steady. Okay, smart score of a 9. Let's take a look at Starbucks. Starbucks opened stores in 1971 in Seattle's famous Pike Place Market. 1987, it was acquired by a company who changed its name to Starbucks Corporation. And 1992, Starbucks went public. Starbucks, price strike, 107.41. Market cap, 126 billion. Earnings per share, 3.54. Wow. PE ratio, 31. Annual dividend, 1.76. Again, you're not going to get huge dividends with these guys, but they are slow and steady risers. Quarterly dividend, you're going to get 49 cents per share. Low estimate of 112. Average estimate, 125. High, 142. 16.51% upside potential. That sounds good to me. Starbucks, awesome coffee. They could raise the price of a cup of coffee by 20%. No one's going to bat an eye. I've seen some of these places run out of delivery and they run to their local store to get milk, cream, sugar, and supplies. That's an awesome problem to have as a business. 13 buys, 10 holds, 0 sells. It's a moderate buy. So it gives it a smart score of a 5. Pepsi, 174.23. Market cap, 240 billion. Earnings per share, 6. PE ratio of 28. Annual dividend at 2.47. You're getting a quarterly dividend of $1.07 per share every quarter. It's a nice steady rise as well. Let's see what some of the analysts have to say here. Okay, we got 180 with 3.4% upside potential. Small little steps, always going up. Slow and steady wins the race, folks. Okay, we got a low estimate of 165. That is a decrease. I'm not worried about that. High of 195, giving it an average of 180. Giving it a 3.4% upside potential. Smart score of a 9. Awesome. Expansion rate of Tesla and what it's doing is just incredible. And ding, 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 this is the exciting thing. So, according to Drive Tesla, Pepsi could receive 15 semis by the end of the month. Back in 2017, Pepsi had ordered 100 semis to be delivered. And there were some delays, there were some issues. I don't know if you remember, back in the day, there was quite some criticism towards Elon Musk. It was said to stick towards electric cars. He doesn't know what he's doing. It can't be done. The loads are too heavy. That you can't do it in semi-trucks. Elon responded saying, that's simply untrue. They're idiots. So, Pepsi CEO Ramen LaGuarto revealed in CNBC interview, this is November 2021, that Pepsi would receive semis Q4. I guess he was expecting them at the end of November. Didn't happen. Didn't happen in December. Here we are, 2022, January. What has happened? So, photos at the Frito-Lay facility in Modesto, California, it has showed and has been confirmed by, quote-unquote, one of the sources of Drive Tesla. It does show that Mega Pack battery storage system is installed at the facility and that they recently received Tesla Mega Chargers ready for installation. So that's exciting news. Just because it's there ready to be installed, I don't know if they'll actually receive deliveries this month. I don't know how long it would take for something like that to be put in, to be installed. It could take the end of the month, maybe delivery in February, maybe in March. But that is good news. That is exciting news. I mean, it is happening. Part of the delays, according to Elon Musk, was limited battery supply. Could quite possibly be happening, folks. And also remember some of the autonomous capability of these Tesla vehicles. It is groundbreaking. Definitely a positive catalyst for Tesla. I also got to mention, Tesla's nearing $1,000. Used to be a trend, used to be a pattern. When Tesla would dip down below 1,000 and 900 as low as it could go to 900, kind of impossible to get it exactly right. But you want to get it as low as you can. You buy some Tesla, you sell it high, it's shooting for 1,200, maybe in the mid to the high 1,100s. You make $150, a couple $100 per share, however many you can get. If you don't have the money in your account, just buy it on margin or something. If it is on margin, buy low, sell high. So I don't know if it will go below 1,000 anymore at this point. I know Kathy Woods just sold off some shares, some more portfolio management. I am looking for it to go below 1,000 so I can actually buy into it and sell it off again near as close as to 1,200 I can get. And that's going to be, as we progress along, doesn't go below 1,000 anymore. It's also going to be pushed. We're going to push, instead of 12, we're going to push to 1,300. So the goal will be selling as near 1,300 as you can get. So I may put in a buy order tonight for tomorrow. I don't know, maybe 10.25. It may go below that, but it'll definitely go back up. So we'll have to see. It brings me to Pepsi. This is also, I think it's a positive catalyst for Pepsi. It'll push it up a bit. And Pepsi is another, S&P 500 slow growth stock. It's slow and steady. That's all I have for today. Subscribe, like. Let's make those portfolios grow. I know they will.